Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is a Python platform to allow traders to build automated trading robots in Python and to trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade. This tutorial, I'm going to talk about error which prevent ibridgepy from running. The error message is UnicodeDecodeError UTF bar code cannot decode at some position. The agenda of this tutorial, I would like to reproduce the bug on my local machine and then explain the root cause. So let's go to Spider and have interactive broker TWS open because this problem happens in TWS instead of in gateway. So first, let's run a typical program. Let's first check the global configuration, the API settings. Right now is enabled ActiveX and socket number is 7496. Let's click OK and then run it. So if you see these messages, which means ibridgepy runs well. Then let's restart kernel, reproduce error. You can reproduce error by going to File, Global Configuration, General, and there is an option about current language. Right now, my default language is English. If I switch to any other languages, for example, I've switched to French, even if I don't speak French, but I just click it, accept it. There's another option is current region. It will not affect this error. So I will just keep using Asia, even if I'm in America. Click OK, and then restart the TWS. Let's restart TWS. Okay, TWS is back. So right now you can see a lot of things has changed to French, which I don't understand. But we can run ibridgepy again. You see here, Unicode decode UTF bug. So we can reproduce this bug. And so that it means this error is created by the language setting in the TWS. If you switch back to English and click apply and then restart TWS, then the problem is solved. So the root cause of this error is the communication information between interactive brokers, TWS, and ibridgepy. The basic encoding is default is English. If you switch the TWS to other languages, the encoder will have problem to decode the messages from interactive broker TWS to ibridgepy. That caused the problem. I hope this video help you to solve the problem. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.